Yannick and your mate a throw out for each other. Me say, Worlddawg, me not in a lie. When me are looking at Yannick face, hear me Jesus in the girl and know so she under filter the lady ugly. All under filter Yannick ugly. Me say Yannick little ears them want to clip. If you just, you know, if you just clip it back. You know, just draw back her ears like. Me say the child ugly. Me say Worlddawg, me know you not feel good for your child.
Mad when people move on. It's just kind of like, get over it. Like, get over it. Get over it. You're not getting him back. But it's okay. Y'all stay tuned because they ain't gonna be in that house for long. By the summer is over, that's mine.
Stress, you see girl a bite up herself and a stress out over a man, please. You're just gonna be the next one, and then there's gonna be another person a cheat, and him a cheat for you too. So, if you never come for me, me not gonna come for you. But you said something last night and you have to do the most in the man jacket. Girl, show something else. Show, say in a car with him, showing toothbrush, showing toothpaste, show more clothes, show things, cologne, the pan dresser, all of them something there.
Mommy!
Him in your bed asleep.
Mommy, I want to be more. I want to see you.
Yo, we have to take this, so you have to joke in a girlies.
Then I see Yannick and her mate a throw word for each other. Then Worlddawg, me nah lie, me have respect for you. Worlddawg, you lick down the tropical side of America. Worlddawg, me have respect for you. Everybody want mud the girl. Yannick mate, but let me tell you the truth. Hear them now? Wow, watch her teeth, too much teeth. Wanna move on the nastiness. The girl in a Hollywood smile. Nothing wrong with the girl. Not that I'm hating on Yannick, you know. I mean, no one Yannick believes say me I hate panel. But nothing is wrong with her mate. Nothing wrong with Yannick mate. Worlddawg, you go and good. For true. You go and good. Nothing wrong with the girl where you have here. Because if them see other celebrities in that, them not talk about them teeth. They are not going to talk about their teeth. They are going to say, yes, my celebrity girl, she look good and a whole heap of celebrity, me say, with them teeth come out like for your own. Worlddawg, your woman look good, but not in a lie. But the video where Yannick do, sometimes I wonder if Yannick can clip back her ears. Yannick ears want clip back. It just want clip back a bit. It out too much like she listen for the whole away. Me never want to say nothing when the comparison let out in a Worlddawg. Because I never want me and you have nothing this year because I just feel like you're going to give me the crux. Me just feel like you have my crux put on and me don't want to mess it up again. You understand? Because every year you forgive me the crux, I mess it up. Every year we God send. Boy, you know, say you're not bad. You're not bad, it's not just me always I mess it up. And then you always are going and you're feeling so quick. Yeah, you know, give me a little time. You get with me? You can't give me a little time, you know? And all the time I mean you, I say I true me attack fast. You understand me? But nevertheless, come here. When Yannick and your mate a throw out for each other, me say, Worlddawg, me not in a lie. When me are looking at Yannick face, hear me Jesus in the girl and know so she under filter the lady ugly. All under filter Yannick ugly. Me say Yannick little ears them want to clip. If you just, you know, if you just clip it back. You know, just draw back her ears like. Me say the child ugly. Me say Worlddawg, me know you not feel good about your choice, you know. Me say I don't want to laugh. Last time I woke up in the grill. No, sir. I can't bother. When she never argue, I wanna do something that just clamp down here. So, and then a little face there. You know, like one nice, like a long time old man from England, from in the 50s. Yannick face, when I look on her face, me that thing she wears suspenders, you know. For true, she just have that little face there. Me not, you know, like, me never want to say nothing, you know. But when I see the girl, like, see me here? But that's some more long my head for true Worlddawg. Because it's in my mind. And the media chatter in the Worlddawg on my mind. I'm my mind. I'm an infant on my mind now. Yeah, because me never say nothing, you know. Me just did a watch and I say, hey, Worlddawg, new girl look nice. See me like how she look. Honestly. I was saying that to myself. And I thought the video finishing and then me don't know who's so mischievous on the internet. Yes, somebody is mischievous on the internet. You know what they did? They what now? We call that? They joined both videos together. So after the new girl finished talking Worlddawg, I saw this international rat. Oh God. You know, so really, the Worlddawg is not disrespecting and disrespecting, but I thought after me and Worlddawg a friend, we hang out one time. I say after Worlddawg new woman done talking, I say me have to look good for I say later down in the video I realize say Yannick, you know, so I think it's a commercial for rodents. I think it was a commercial for rodents, and then through our beauty make she can't add the talk. I mean not hear what Worlddawg Woman say now. I not hear what Miss Bean say. I see the lady little bit and cook and share out. I saw her beauty stay, like she cook and share it out. I ask for her, the thing I lie me I tell. I say, Jesus Savior, hear me look on the big rat. That's and then the ears them cock off. Every time I see her ears, I feel deaf. Like she hear the things them when me if hear and I can't hear. For sure. Me not disrespect. That's why I not like talk my mind. Ah, Jesus, I wonder if me gonna get the crooks. Every time I mess up the crooks. Worlddawg not like black girls. Worlddawg not like black girls. Then look on Worlddawg, you mean in a position for pick, choose and refuse. Come on, man, somebody. Oh, you mean you not like black girls? Who remember when Tantana couldn't get nobody? Oh, you want the crooks. Lord Jesus, so come off for the boy name. Come off for Worlddawg name and come off for the people in my Worlddawg love. The whole on upon this to mix up when they leave the boy alone. The boy pick who he want pick and him love both of them, and I believe both of them look. I believe both of them look. I believe the beauty split. I believe the beauty split. Somebody gone with the next half. Cause a one half there so. One dege half there so. Where's the other half? You know them people are prejudiced? You know the crooks. Kakafat, I can't remember the crooks. Every time. Look here. One is beautiful and one is be you. Just be you. One is beautiful and one is just be you. Nobody else can never be you. So you just be you. We can't erase it there so. We can't done this so. Eh? Yeah. One is attractive. You just learn the word there. Cause all you would walk and tell lie. You would walk and tell lie. You would sit down by your life like cute boss will sell seafood which pan running water na day. You know? And sit down by your program and eat and Jaden like Zandrama. tired to tell Jaden the day when Jaden a go down is the day when Zandrama and Cute Bass are gonna hold up them banner and them are gonna call Shebada name and say where Shebada did, and Jaden me gonna tell you the truth. I will have your front. Come in have your back, you know. Or I will have your front. Because it will sound wrong if I say I have your back. Because all of them want me to say I have your back. I will have your front. There is nothing better than having your front. At least me I defend your front. And then is that you used to push into Fabi? Is that you used to select into Fabi? Jaden, when you're going woman, you're not looking at them pom pom. You not look how it stay. You know say you're gonna put body to body. You're gonna juke body one day, you know. Jaden, you know, open female crutches and look. Then all you say you eat crutches, you eat with the eye closed. You will name blacky mango in a night, you know. You know? This boy with name blacky mango in a blackout. I mean, I understand. That's a puzzle me do. It's a puzzle me a little bit.